All right, so this is my shortcut right here. I'm just gonna tap it once and boom, it found the closest Home Depot to me. There's one 5 minutes away. I could just start navigating. There's no typing up here, Home Depot near me, and then searching through the results. So it's super easy. This saves me a lot of time. I built this because I was at clients' homes a lot of the times and I'd have to run out and get supplies, and then I'd have to sit in my truck and find the closest one to me. But creating this shortcut saves so much time. And the best part is that you can duplicate this shortcut to find any store that you want, whether you prefer Lowe's or if you need, say, a paint store, a lumber yard, anything. You can have all of these set up so you can just start navigating to wherever you are, especially if you're in a location that you're not that familiar with. You can just tap it and start navigating and save you a bunch of time. So I'm going to show you how to build this and duplicate it for every store that you'd like. So let's jump right into it. Also to mention, if you want this exact shortcut, I've dropped it in the description below so you can use the iCloud link to download it directly to your phone. And that way there's no setup hassle. You can start using it immediately today. But if you would like to stick around and watch how to set this up and then how to duplicate it for other stores, stick around and we'll walk through that. All right, so what you want to do is on your iPhone, head to the Shortcuts app. Then we're going to click the plus button to create a new shortcut. And in the search actions, we're going to type maps. Click this first icon here. Then we'll do find places. And you want this set to your current location so that wherever you are, whatever job you're on, whatever house, it'll reference off of that location. And then from here in places, you just want to type in whatever store that you prefer. So in this case, we'll just type in the Home Depot. And what this will do when the shortcut is run, it'll search this term in maps and reference off of your current location. Now, if we click this drop down, you can set your radius. So I have mine set to 5 miles, and that's typically good. Where I work, there's usually a Home Depot within a 5 mile range, but you can go up to 10 or 12, set it to whatever you prefer. All right, so the next step, we're just gonna go in search actions again, type in open maps. And so this is currently set to open in Apple Maps, but if you prefer, you can open in Google Maps, which is what I have. And you're all set. It's just these two actions that make up the shortcut. So if you want to duplicate it, let's click done. Go up here, click select the shortcut and duplicate it. And you can do this as many times as you'd like. So we'll just quickly name this one, find Home Depot, and maybe we'll do this one, Lowe's. And in order to change the search term, we're just gonna go up here and click Lowe's. So then in order to add it to your home screen, you just click the information button, do add to home screen, click done, and there it is. So let's test it out. And boom, there we go. This is the closest one and we can start navigating. So this just saves me a lot of time having to fiddle with my phone and find the nearest location on things. If this was helpful and you're a solo home service provider looking to keep your schedule under control, I've created a free visual planner as well as a Google Calendar booking setup guide for you to manage your schedule with ease and to let clients book you automatically and to visualize your schedule at the weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly level so that you can organize, manage your busy times, see lulls in throughout the year. And it's a great system. So if you're interested in that, you can grab it below. The link is in the description. And I hope you enjoy it. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.